Our today's episode is change in supply. What is change in supply? Change in supply is a shift in supply curve holding price constant as a result of other factors affecting supply. Other factors like taxation, subsidies, cost of production, number of sellers in the market, etc. We have types of supply here. One is increase in supply and the decrease in supply. The rightward shift indicates an increase in supply from SO to S2, while the leftward shift indicates a decrease in supply from SO to S1, a decrease in supply. We have different factors that are affecting supply while holding price constant. One is cost of production. An increase in the cost of production leads to a decrease in supply, leads to a decrease in quantity supply. Here, a producer or a manufacturer would not like to supply more to the market because of cost of production. A producer would like to supply from 500 units to 400 units because of cost of production. But a decrease in the cost of production leads to an increase in supply from 500 units to 600 units for profit motive. A producer or a manufacturer would like to supply more in order to maximize profit because of decrease in the cost of production. But when there is an increase in the cost of production, a manufacturer or a producer is likely to supply less, from 500 units to 400 units, while holding price constant. Price is not affecting supply here. The only thing that is affecting supply here is non-price factors like taxation, cost of production, subsidies, number of sellers in the market. Increase in the number of sellers in the market leads to an increase in supply. An increase in number of sellers in the market leads to an increase in supply from 500 units to 600 units. An increase in quantity supply from 500 units to 600 units because of number of sellers in the market. But when there is a decrease in the number of sellers in the market, a producer or a manufacturer would like or is likely to supply less because of decrease in the number of sellers in the market. He will supply 500 units to 400 units. But an increase in the number of markets leads to an increase in quantity supply from 500 units to 600 units in order to maximize profit while holding price constant. This is the end of our today's episode. Bye.